can't for me. Brian could spend the money.
It's for the party.
Everybody. Buy my can't for me. Buy my can't for me. Brian could spend the money.
This is for the party.
It's for the pop. It's for the pop. I did not pick it.
I pick it.
I did not pick it. I pick it.
Holiday, I'm
Shake
Shabbos
your
birthday.
mommy,
Hey,
I get it. Baby, I pick it.
Aye.
Starboy. Body. This is
hey,
for
hey,
the
me fa rap
poppin'.
from Remo.
Body. This is for the poppin'.
And if you had that, and yeah, holiday, Sister Sandy, minute Starboy, Team Nata, Mechi, Weber, Richmond, so one time OPD. Hey, big up yourself, Kobe P, boys, yes, shit, free, and a holiday, ya chile, apeke, ya chiamo, ya mama kwaba. I'm Adom TV show, and a holiday edition special, and then me rem na boys and said there was a rich chance. I was so yeah, I'm gonna do was a rich chance, sir. But me name so many about capre, and then me knew me na yeah train school feeding. Yeah, bedidi. Me a me di media ho cha me di the Sandra or him me adwuma nya me Adom entertainment am me Ghana for chemu a. Me a me ne guy no Kobe P what.
You start sending her. Where do you die or you guy? Sister Sandy be a guy.
When so am I came here ade antwe ankwachi. Hey, abanzi. Abusu na no me show talent. And I me show talent a sort on Sister Sandy, I'm here for the talent. And anybody who's got talent, I got you. Streets no why she will be able to know. Sister Sandy is and see yeah, right, mama menza. But me say anyway. Me ben so ba Nsoromma season 7. Na only the last man standing now come Maya ne ho. Emma will be pay Moody Ted, that second runner up. Kolano so the we now will be busy. This is home. You come home. More stories I hold on so and me be some more or baby so I need to brazier our Parliament House. I want to pushy agenda be. Obi sasa hwan wo de atwen e den na fela no me de behu ki mama akwa abai na me kai wo say 2 times a guy guys me Starboy at the same
Patwa.
me dia boko e so wi ensu me just say wo se wa say on fa me nya hwe on fa phone kwan ka sese wa ma feel brefie be di fufu just sa na Starboy de na mi ase on fe me Obwa, where the obwa. Because what for me and what for me. Life after Nsoromma to saying.
Good.
Good. Okay, good. The money you're good.
Like, finally, you're out of, like, with the competition area.
Okay.
It feels good, but when you're not with your friend, it feels like sad.
Me baby, me man am fan job. What we do stage na you am shows. They are very quiet. Starboy is one of the quiet guys I know who competition. He has a husky voice. Me sure say no do ko pie mu no. What for now for no? Who am no wa fe omo?
Bernardo. Quinas. Nani. And Cooper. Little Angel.
Oh, so what me ba beto din so na yen kai mo kakra Starboy time and all in Nsoromma no. Let's check one of his performances. Me ba sister.
Shake your mommy, I get it. Baby, I Starboy. This is for the party. This is for the party. I am passing the morning. This is for the party. Everybody. This is for the party. Ma, can't wait for me. Hey, ma, can't wait for me. I am passing the morning. This is for the party. For the party. Starboy.
Everybody, this is what I'm poppin'. Everybody, this is what I'm poppin'.
I am gonna spend the morning.
This is what I'm poppin'.
Everybody.
Everybody, this is what I'm poppin'. Everybody, this is what I'm poppin'. Everybody, this is what I'm poppin'.
I am gonna spend the morning.
This is what I'm poppin'.
Everybody.
Everybody, this is what I'm poppin'.
Man, I think that was your best performance
Yes,
throughout show Nina.
Badwam.
Now once who feel say we know best performance.
Aye.
Oh, Starboy, my feel one thing in Nsoromma house wafe pa uti fie kwa ukaya uti misu. Say yeah, Adom TV Nsoromma kami waswa ere here.
Like, I'll be with my friends.
Or friends. I don't know school na ni na for.
Going out for
Baba Nsoromma na be family. Oh, na me sure. Eh, Kobi. Me sure say trips na ye kwa nso no. Na ye wo de pa because me guys ye kwa trip ni e ba na ra ho. Oh, Starboy. Ye kwa Afrikiku. Ye ba so si tema. Ye ba just wonya kra won sim free bus mabusu ya me mai. Ye. Now after Nsoromma projects be na wo ye.
I'm making my own songs.
Oh, ye wa wonyum. Jena be na wo ye.
Versatile.
Versatile. And to base me a gospel. Or base me a reggae.
Badwam.
Dance hall.
Badwam.
Sa kumche drill. You bet me a ibi.
Badwam.
It say the audio abani a dear here.
Time no day.
So I come here say a Afrobeat ana.
It's more like hip life and like high life something.
Me bench dance that's what bro fool. Ya me be school mu ho. School no coin.
Tema.
Me shall boss me ba ho me boa.
Badwam.
Yay, me re mfi me ba o. Ya ba be ebisa nyom. Why? So nyom kakra na me hwe.
I know they live my life for you. Why envy? I tell mama say I go make 'em. She no believe me. This life they rotate oh. He go reach my turn.
Okay.
Them they shout my name. Them say I be bad.
Hey.
One choir, beko. I didn't the phone so I befa. Oh yeah, then cry, beka. Brother, live your life. Time no deal. Abrabo, time no deal. Time no deal. Abrabo, time no deal.
Starboy so won face.
11 years.
I say 11 pa wo pre time no dey. It here ye ko 40. Yeah, the thing say was say ye second that because time na pie ho. Into that. Why the try nyom ne ma ho.
But I'll bring the idea and I'm trying to know what trauma.
Sir. Oh, my son is too talented. Wow. It's who releasing that thing.
I'll be launching it on the 6th of July.
That is
Sunday.
Sunday way.
Yes.
Okay. I here for
Tema.
location church and I say
A place that is very popular. It's called Olechwesh.
Olechwesh. But from the chicha so as na twi wo ba ntoma se wo ye chew kakaka. Abusu o se fie nyina wo ka brofo. O se school o ko fie nyina dada benti no brofo 19 Nsoromma kwa na me chen se ne ye bube. Ebe ya me che o kai bia betimi abu. Watoto are. What is it? It's na flyer ne da ho Mr. Web and Passion fan who came in na ye hear details no. Or say there's a popular place at Tema. I friend of Politrish. Is that correct?
Olechwesh.
And then
Olechwesh.
hey, I can't sing. What's that? Pele twin.
Olechwesh.
Okay, Pele twin. Wow, I think that's my phone. Be home. Whether Jerry just step up a bill, some moody more. Or maybe who Pele twin. No, but also now for phone be good. So Annie Cooper. That's whether is that Queen I see. Nana man passes that Sunday MC. Me poor me ni mo bika. Me poor me ko hu manager no. Inti ya baba better which time near time being.
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. That's after church. All right, Starboy. Then I person catch or more bunch more support or loved ones. What do for no just say and one am making. Why then I be catch home.
I want to thank them for like showing me love. And sometimes they support me too. So I want to thank them.
Right. Okay, Starboy. Yeah, that's our best try. Yeah, that's a pan. You know, so this is home. And to be near. Yeah, no about it. Fabum. You know I love you, right? God bless you. Nyame nko so mbo ho ban for me. Stay safe. Thank you for coming. So can bro food ntia was am so the bro food shia. Starboy! Okay, tell me how this Starboy e be si me gu so e church or manfo a or more talent. People will love to know. It's me try me ho about my next art e ba sisia.